A manual tile cutter is a great tool for cutting tile in half, whether it's porcelain or ceramic. The challenge comes when you need to trim off just a little bit of tile. In this case, you need to cut off about 3/4 of an inch, ½ inch, anything like that. And the problem is, if you look closely at this, you'll see that the little foot on here that snaps off the tile is overhanging. It's about 2 or 2½ inches wide, but on a narrow rip it overhangs. And if you score it and then try snapping it, what often happens is you end up with this. This is what happened earlier. You can see it's clearly scored the whole way, but it snaps off. And then you have this, which you'll have to break off with a pair of nippers or something else. Here's a much easier technique. Once you score it, snap the tile over here using this little wooden jig. It's simply a piece of 5/16 inch plywood sandwiched between a couple of 1x4s. Just tighten the clamps right on the cut line. And then just press down, and it should snap right cleanly right along that line. There you go. Nice and clean edge. These little, you can maybe trim that off with nippers if you needed to. But it's a nice clean edge, and you just install it and make as many cuts as you need right there.